What are the PC requirements for cricket video games? If you are a cricket fan and love video games, you might be wondering what your computer needs to run these games smoothly. Let's break down the requirements for some popular cricket video games to help you get started. First up is Cricket 22. For this game, the minimum requirements include a central processing unit of Intel Core i3 or AMD Ryzen 3. You will also need 8 GB of random access memory and a graphics card like the AMD Radeon R7-160 or NVIDIA GTX 650Ti with at least 2 GB of video random access memory. Make sure you have Windows 10 or a newer operating system installed. Additionally, you will need 45 GB of free disk space to install the game. If you want a better experience, the recommended requirements for Cricket 22 suggest using an Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 processor. You should have 16 GB of random access memory and a graphics card such as the AMD Radeon RX 5500 XT or NVIDIA RX 2060 with 4 GB of video random access memory. Again, ensure your operating system is Windows 10 or higher, and you will still need 45 GB of free disk space. Now let's move on to Cricket 19. The minimum requirements for this game are a central processing unit of Intel Core i3-3210 or AMD Athlon Raman X for 555. You will need 4 GB of random access memory and a graphics card like the Radeon H6670 or NVIDIA GeForce GTX 700 ton with 2 GB of video random access memory. This game can run on Windows 7, 64-bit, or higher, and you will need 25 GB of free disk space. For a smoother gaming experience, the recommended requirements for Cricket 19 include an Intel Core i5-4200 or AMD Phenom Raman X for 970 processor. You should have 8 GB of random access memory and a graphics card such as the AMD Radeon R9 390X or NVIDIA GeForce GTX 970 with 2 GB of video random access memory. This game also requires Windows 10, 64-bit, and 25 GB of free disk space. When it comes to cricket video games, having a good graphics card is essential. It helps render detailed stadiums and player models. A card with at least 2 GB of video random access memory is the minimum, but 4 GB or more is better for stunning visuals. Random access memory is also important. More random access memory allows the game to load larger textures and maintain performance during exciting moments, like crowded stadiums or changing weather. The central processing unit plays a key role in handling physics calculations and game logic, which are vital for realistic gameplay. Lastly, consider your storage. Cricket games take up a lot of space due to their high-quality graphics and audio. Using a solid-state drive can speed up loading times. In the world of cricket fan engagement, having the right computer setup is essential for fully enjoying these immersive games. Meeting or exceeding these requirements will ensure you have a fantastic gaming experience that captures the thrill of cricket.